Ever wondered how you actually buy crypto? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency and specifically how you can get your hands on some digital gold. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty of exchanges and wallets, let's address a fundamental question. How do you even pay for cryptocurrency? Unlike that new pair of sneakers you just snagged online, you can't exactly whip out your credit card for most crypto purchases. So, what are the payment methods accepted by the big players in the crypto space? Let's take a look at one of the most popular platforms, Coinbase. Coinbase is a user-friendly exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. But how do you fill up your crypto piggy bank? Well, Coinbase offers a few different options, and the best one for you depends on a few factors, like your location and how quickly you need the crypto. The debit card dash. For those who want to jump right in and snag some crypto fast, a debit card is your best bet. Coinbase accepts Visa and MasterCard debit cards, allowing for instant purchases. That means the moment you hit that buy button, the crypto is yours. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind here. First, Coinbase doesn't accept credit cards or prepaid cards. Seems those pesky interest rates don't fly in the crypto world. Second, depending on your bank and location, you might need to go through a quick verification process before you can start swiping. The bank transfer boogie. If you're looking for a potentially cheaper option and don't mind waiting a bit, then a bank transfer might be your groove. Coinbase allows you to link your bank account and transfer funds directly. This method typically incurs lower fees compared to debit card purchases. However, the transfer can take a few business days to complete, so you might miss out on any sudden price dips, or spikes, for that matter. The PayPal payout. For some of you, PayPal might be your financial lifeline. Luckily, Coinbase allows you to use PayPal to cash out your crypto holdings. This is a great option if you want to quickly convert your crypto profits into spendable cash. Just remember, there might be additional fees involved when using PayPal. Beyond the basics, regional variations. While debit cards, bank transfers, and PayPal are some of the most common payment methods on Coinbase, it's important to note that options might vary depending on your location. Some regions might offer additional payment methods like SEPA transfers, common in Europe, or Apple Pay/Google Pay for instant purchases. The best way to find out exactly what payment methods are available to you is to head over to the Coinbase website and check their support page. They have a handy breakdown of regional options, so you can be sure you're using the most convenient and cost-effective method for your situation. So, there you have it. With a debit card, bank transfer, or even PayPal in some cases, you have a few ways to fuel your crypto adventures on Coinbase. Remember, always do your research and choose the payment method that best suits your needs and location. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and happy crypto exploring.